Today we're opening a Vivid Voltage Blister pack.
With a Grookey and a Salamence, or what was that again? Ampleon. Sorry.
Salamence.
Got this from our local Walmart, guys. Just sitting there waiting to be opened. And we got the Grookey promo card. Here's the code card, guys. Comment below what you guys get. Let me know what you guys get on those code cards, guys. Haven't got any comments yet, ever.
There you go.
Maybe nobody takes them, eh? Maybe. I don't know. Here you go. Energy, guys.
I picked Dark Energy.
I picked Fighting Energy.
Sorry?
I picked Dark and Ace of Light.
I said Fighting.
Oh, Fighting.
Here's a code card, guys. Enjoy.
So Dark Fighting.
Dark Fighting.
We got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
We got water. Oh my god, I was gonna say fire too. I was gonna say fuego. Charmy. Wow, guys.
Charmeleon.
Guys. Pincurchin. Is that a pure curchin?
What's that?
Yellow booty. Trumbeak. Yanma. Wooper. Say it again. Wooper. Dedenne. Say Dedenne.
Dedenne. Picky Pack.
Peaky pack.
Peaky Pack.
Okay.
Choodle.
No, Choodle.
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 Ooh, Cramorant.
You get-
Okay, guys, reverse fall. What do we have?
What is it?
Oh my god, what is that? Is that a
What
pull?
is it?
It's a pull.
What is it?
Oh,
What is it?
Talonflame V. We got a pull,
got a
y'all. Woo, Talonflame V, guys, from a Blizzy pack.
Never sleep on those blizzies.
Yeah, exactly, Mason. Exactly. Look at this, guys.
That's cool.
Centering really good. Okay. Look at that, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys don't sleep on a Blizzy pack, because you never know what you will get. Thank you guys for watching, sticking with us. This is our 90th video, guys. Thank you guys.
Bye.